Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your account with Pollo AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are at Pollo AI and we're all logged in. Up at the top right hand corner, you'll find your account icon, and if you hover your mouse over it, you'll see that you have a variety of options here. However, there are no options specifically related to your account. The closest thing there is billing, but if you click on billing, you're not going to see any information related to deleting your account entirely. In order to do that, what you're going to have to do is go to Contact Us, and if you click this here, it will open up your email and you can send a message requesting to delete your account if that is what you wish to do. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a message and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.